Hello. We're going to be looking at making a contingency table now. So I'm going to look at this question and I'm going to be doing it in Excel mainly because I'm lazy, but also we want to keep this video nice and short. On the beach at Kira, 50 people were asked whether they were staying locally or visiting and whether they intended to surf, swim or lie on the beach. Of the 31 people staying locally, 12 were surfers and 4 beach liers. Altogether there were 18 surfers and 10 beach liers. Construct a two-way table, otherwise called a contingency table, and then work out how many swimmers were visiting. So, let's have a look. We're going to make a contingency table. First thing we've got to do is work out what are the variables. So we've got in here surf, swim or lie on the beach. That's going to, that's a bit light. That's going to be 3 of them. Surf, swim, lie on the beach. Okay, so let's put that in. Surf, swim, lie on the beach. Okay, and then the other variable is going to be, okay, let's have a look. 50 people were asked whether they were staying locally or visiting. Okay, so locally or visiting is going to be the other one. So down the side here, locally, visiting. And now we know a contingency table, you always have a total there and a total over here. Okay. Let's turn this into a nice table. So we've got, there we are. Okay. So we can see that in the question we'll have some people who are locals who are going to surf. That would be local surf, yeah. Some people who are visitors who will surf, they will go there. So now let's put in the information that we have. How many people total? 50. Okay, so that's going to be the overall total. Then the next number we get is of the 31 people staying locally. Now that's a total, 31 people who are locals. So we go to locally, we go to the total locals and we put in 31. So of those 31, 12 were surfers and 4 were beach liers. So we had 12 people local surfers and 4 people who were beach liers. Altogether there were 18 surfers. Okay, so that's a total for surfers. So we go to surf, we go to 18. Total is 18. And 10 beach liers. Okay, so we go total beach liers is 10. Now we have enough information to fill in the gaps. Okay, I know that my locals who are swimming, which is this cell, I'm going to highlight the ones that we don't know actually. So these are the ones that we're going to calculate. So I know that for locals who are swimming, it's blank, but I know that that's got to add up to 31. So this is just going to be 31, take away 12, take away 4, which is 15. Okay, and I also know that my total here has to add up to 50, and I've got 18 and 10, so it's just going to be 50. Take away 18, take away 10. And that's my total who was swimming. Now I can work out the other way. I know that there's 12 locals, 18 total, so there's got to be 6 people who are visiting who are surfers. In this one, okay, it's going to be 22, 7 people. And then in this one, it's going to be 10, take 4, 6 people. And now I can do my total, okay? Add up these ones, and that gives me that. And I can double check, 31 plus 19 is 50. Now it's all done. So I've constructed that two-way table, okay? Now we've got to work out how many swimmers we're visiting, okay? So if I go to swimmers, visiting, at that intersection, that means the answer is 7 people, okay? I'm going to tuck an extra question on. Let's make it C. What is the probability that a person picked randomly is a local lying let's make it local surfing. Okay, that might give us a better number. Okay, So what is the probability the person picked randomly is local surfing? So we're going to go, well, let's put this in here. Okay, I'll put it over here. That's probability of local surfing is going to be this local surfing 12 out of the total, which is 50. Okay, so let's work that out. It's going to be 12 on 50. So the probability of a local who's surfing is 0.24 or 24%. Okay, so that is how you construct a contingency table and then use it to calculate a problem.